The Genome of Europe project is a part of the largest initiative that is called 1 Million Genomes Initiatives that has been signed by 13 countries, more or less. It will be the largest combined resources of what we call genetic diversity, genetic heterogeneity. It's important to have a reference genome for every population, not only every country, but every population. From a genetic point of view, different populations have different genetic makeup. So what it is normal, what it is the baseline for a population, it's not the same in another population. In that sense, a reference genome is sort of a digital archive of the common genetic variation. It will foster groundbreaking research in precision diagnostic, in disease prevention, in disease prediction. The concept is to prevent not only fatal events, but also the onset of a disease. And in that sense, it will be a game changer.
I am the head of the Genomics Research Center, and when I came here from Cambridge, I set up essentially the genomics facility as well as a program in population genomics within the institute. What we aim to do is to essentially bring in expertise and know-how and resources to create large-scale genomics projects for Italy. And so this project fits very well in our mission to essentially facilitate genomic research for especially complex diseases in Italy.
The role of Italy is really interesting because Italy has the larger genetic diversity in Europe. Italy was the center of the Roman Empire. So all the people from all the world come here, and so the diversity in the Italian population is really amazing. The role of the CNR is as leading entity of the Italian node of Elixir, and in Bari we set up 2 core facilities, one for the omics data production, so we have top class instruments of second and third generation high throughput sequencing, interconnected with a very powerful compute facility. Of course, all this data need to be stored and analyzed using GDPR compliant environment, what is called now SPE, Secure Processing Environment. Because if you produce the data and you don't have a suitable infrastructure to collect data, to interrogate the data, to use the data, of course, according to all the legal and ethical principles, the data are useless.
We are very excited about the opportunity to bring genomics research in Italy, because that provides opportunity for training the next generation of not just genomic scientists, but also of medics and clinicians and healthcare operatives. Italy's contribution to the project Genomes of Europe will be first and foremost to contribute 15,800 genomes to the project in the first installment, the first tranche. What the project is bringing to Italy is finally the ability to organize the Italian community around the projects of national interest for genomics. It is envisaged that a close relationship with the industry will enable to carry out this project in the most cost-effective, high-quality and efficient way. We are very excited to use this opportunity to connect more closely with our colleagues across Europe. And I think this is another example in which sharing of information, knowledge and partnership with our European colleagues will enrich Italy as well as the rest of Europe.